happened?
Good morning. We are having a brunch here. So the kids, it's Daddy's day off.
Yeah.
Nilabas namin ang mga kids. Tapos,
Oh my god. OCD like mommy? Yeah? Okay.
why doesn't like Barong? Sina, say hello.
Aba, you wanna sit? Yeah? So, it's nice one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, certainly improved.
Ah?
They also certainly improved.
Yeah, like before we...
I don't think they had that. Different furniture here.
No, but we stayed there before.
Yeah, in front, yeah.
You don't wanna sit
Yeah, that was
beside Daddy?
long time ago.
But I was not yet
You were not
pregnant
even
with
there,
Sinaya. We were not even trying to get pregnant. No, we were, but
Yeah.
the IVF
Well,
and
from the moment that we met.
yeah,
At least you were.
the moment that we met.
Really, the moment that we met, I think she was going to get pregnant.
Palahi, sana all.
Really?
Kako naka-live ba ako?
But
Ayun.
you got another?
Hello.
What the blood? Really? Oh my god.
Oh, don't scratch.
So really, you want another baby or not?
Oh. Please listen to this conversation. Yeah, it's in we still have 4 actually. 4 embryos.
Well, chances are big it's gonna be a girl again.
No, I hope not.
But it's difficult, no?
You want a big family? You want like 6 children? Or?
Sina, hello. Sina. Sino. Oh, so pretty.
Oh boy. Yeah, pink. Do you really see that? See that? Kijk, vogel. Vogel, bird.
Yeah. So. Oh, diba? Parang
I think they also have like, yeah, they do ice cream, they have
pizza.
pizza that they take away, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, maybe we can do that someday. That
Which one?
at Foodies, that other one, that next to Foodies.
Oh yeah, I think let's do more.
I didn't really check the menu, but
Busy. Hello? Guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang aming
something in Landhuis, yeah? About
ganda. Yeah, what is it?
you can register.
Ah?
When you can register at school.
Okay. Hello.
2022, Sinne?
Yeah. Nee, Sinne is 2023.
No.
The birth? 2022.
November 22.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, then it's yeah.
Why?
They are born before, what did she say? Before 31st of April 2022, you can register now for school.
Okay. Yung anak ng arte. Sina? What is it? Lord, let me see. Why you fall down there? It's okay, it's not that. Pakita ko sa inyo yun. Ay, ganda no? So, yun lang. Or baka na-acquire pa.
Mogen wij bij jou bestellen?
Oh ja hoor, stuur mijn collega.
Ja? Ja, dankjewel.
What? Ako naman, iinuman niya. Sige na. Ay, apo! Oy, malinis yan, oh.
Armpit.
Daddy, armpit. Daddy is blood. You have to come.
Let me see. Let me see. It's okay.
Mala, what's your order?
Hoi. Doe je stew zo? Ja. You want spaghetti?
Spaghetti bolognese and the crispy chicken.
Spaghetti bolognese and the spicy chicken wings you want.
Yeah, spicy chicken wings. It's not spicy chicken wings.
The sashimi.
Wow.
And the fish and chips. The fish and chips. Yozo Yasama.
Mala, it's too much. Yeah.
Kijk, Caesar salad, spaghetti bolognese, spicy chicken wings, tuna sashimi en de fish and chips.
Ja, dankjewel.
Sino, you wanna sit down here? Oh, come? You wanna sit down with mommy? Then what is it then? Think you give her attention, my love? Give Sina attention.
Let me see.
Wait, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, kiss. You know the solution, Daddy. Kiss. What is it?
Dr. Daddy.
I see.
Go down. Does it hurt? Oh yeah. Okay.
Uh-oh, what happened? Oh. Ay, yeah, Daddy. Put saliva. Now it's okay? Hey, Daddy.
Now, how are you doing?
Hello.
Wait. One more. Okay.
Ako, nag-live ka? Mag-live ka.
And
Mag-live ka. Kasi nagla-live ako. Charo.
ta-da! Over again.
Okay lang yun. Ano ba? Bye na nga. Mamaya na lang.